Hi, folks. I thought I'd show you something I just learned in R, and it's a different way of doing progress bars. I won't bother you with the all the code I've got. I mean, it's not very long, but I'm doing two things here with AMSR satellite data, and 01 downloads the data. I'm downloading a whole year of data, so it's 365 files, and each is like 12 megs, so it takes a long time. And the other one, and it also trims out for just what I want, and the other one makes PNGs from which I get a movie. I'm making a movie for my class, that's all. Let's see, so I'm going to grep for CLI. So the package is called CLI. I guess it means command line interface. So I'm not too sure because the main functions that it seems to have are progress bars. And you can see them there. So the first one assembles one, and N is a number of like 365 or whatever that is, days in a year. And you do that before your loop, and then in the loop, you can see by the indentation, you just update. And when you're all done, you do that. So let me just show you what it looks like. Oh, first you'll see that I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to build the whole thing, but I'll just do make, and you'll see what will happen. So it's loading up stuff. So what's nice about it is, well, it's got a color thing, so maybe that's good. I don't really know. But what I really like is it gives you an ETA. And I'm sure there's a way you can make it, but maybe actually we'll do this. I'm not going to wait for the whole 2 minutes in this video, but I bet you at some point it starts saying, 40 seconds, 39 seconds, something like that. But I do like that a lot because sometimes it's just like, well, that's enough time to make a coffee, or I'll just run some errands for a while. Yep, so it's CLI, basically just CLI, just Google for CLI and progress bar are the same, and you'll find it. It seems to work pretty well. Maybe I'll just show you one. I'm just going to kill that because, who cares? I'll show you my Makefile as well. I'll be very quick on this because it's video. You can stop it. So the first line finds all the R files, and it defines all to be .out versions of all the .r files is what it does. Wildcard for the R, and then pass substitutes. That's what that does. And this says whenever you've got an out file associated with an R file, if the R file is newer, or if the R file doesn't exist, then run this command. So it runs R no save. I have a thing for cleaning to remove the out files, and to really clean, which removes all the stuff. And that real clean is a forced thing. So that's why when I do make, it'll tell me what will happen. Right, that's the end of the video. I'm talking pretty quickly. There's a bunch of noise outside my apartment. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear this. Hopefully you can.